beauties, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I guess you're wondering why I'm back so quickly, but I was looking at that sneak peek today and I noticed something in the background. If you look really closely at the picture, does this look like maybe a Storybook Cosmetics collab with Boxycharm? I'm going to blow it up and look at it really hard. You see this has lips on it in the middle, this Storybook's cosmetic book. Compare it to what they have in the back. I think there may be a Boxycharm Storybook Cosmetic collab in the future. What do you think about this? I just had to get it on here really quick because I wanted you to see this. And it's just so exciting. He's given us all these spoilers. I'm thinking some of these may be in the next Luxe box, maybe in March, because he's given a lot of good things here. So in the comments, please put what you think about this. I'm just so excited tonight when I looked at this, and I had just put up the other video, but I wanted you to see this too. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember the giveaway, and if you liked my video, please give me a like. Bye.